to me, she was incredibly warm, you know, and really interactive with people she didn't know and stuff like, you know, even the Irish cop and the beat, that, you know, that really fixed in my mind. And then I was always aware that she loved me, and she was thinking about me because all these travels and stuff, you know, you see the painting in Florida, the painting in Vermont and stuff, always getting cards from her, you know, your grandma Celia. One had a little, I must have been 4 or 5, you know, one had a little thing that you could squeeze and it made a squeak, and I forgot if that was a bunny or something, and I was like, boy, I love that one. But I was always aware, I think she made me feel like I'm special, and I still feel that way. And I think more of that came from her than it came from my parents or anybody else, you know. And there's another anecdote when she visited us in Harrisburg. One thing that was, you know, we had breakfast and it was oatmeal, or some of the breakfast was oatmeal, and Mom, give me more, I want more sugar. So, no, you know, Grandma Celia. And you know, these things. So I was always aware that she was full of love for me, you know, and I always felt that I was special, and I think she helped me to feel that way about myself. You know, so she, you know, even though I was very young and stuff, she even today, a big impact in my life and the way I feel about myself and so on.